Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view or see the videos you have marked as private on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up TikTok and select your profile icon at the bottom right. Now you want to select the little padlock icon where it says private videos. And if you scroll through here, if you have any private videos, they'll be listed in here. So to make videos only visible to you, set them to private in the settings. So any private videos would be here. And then if they were in here and you want to make them public, you can select the video and then edit the post settings to make it public. So pretty straightforward. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.